here, I want to show you guys a few do's and don'ts of the scalp trader. Now, using 1-minute charts or tick charts if you can, but I like the TradeScalper to use 1 minute. It's much different than the scalping method that I offer with the ATO. It's completely different. Completely different, okay? So I prefer the 1-minute chart. Multiple markets, including currencies. So if you like the euro, or if the emini is not moving today, switch. Go to British pound, go to the euro, go to the Australian dollar. 3-tick profit average, 1.5 point stop, more or less is what I like to see. Trades multiple times per hour. Very important because we're not waiting all day for a trade to occur. It trades multiple times per hour. That's why I took 2 consecutive trades and I call it a day. Stop trading after a few wins. These are do's and don'ts, guys, that you guys should follow when scalp trading, okay? George says, JP, candlesticks or bar charts? Candlesticks, George. Professional traders are looking at candlesticks, okay? I started off looking at bars, and when I switched to candlesticks, everything became clear. Not because I'm looking at dojos and shooting stars. I don't look at any of that stuff, just so you know, okay? But just because it's easier to see price action in candlesticks. ASAP, what do you mean by trades multiple times per hour? It means that you have an opportunity to scalp using the scalp trader a few times an hour. You don't have to trade using or waiting all hour for one trade to set up. Okay, it sets up many times an hour. All right, now this is the first series of webinars that I'm going to introduce to you to the TradeScalper. Okay, and if you haven't done so already, get the first 3 chapters. There's a lot of great information there. Okay, this method here has never been released to the public. It's only released in short, I guess, launches is the only thing I can call it, okay? I will contact everyone for the next week's webinar. The email address is support@thetradescalper.com. I want to actually let you know that next week's webinar is going to be a little bit more into detail of price action. So if you can't make it, I'll try to record it. This one is being recorded, and I will send it out to everyone as well. And also, something that I tried for the first time, guys, is I actually want to give you guys a few days after you enter and start learning the TradeScalper. I'm going to be there trading with you. We're going to do a live trading webinar during the day after the store closes, okay? So please visit the website, TradeScalper.com. I'm going to have the next webinar announcement where we go into a little bit more detail about price action and show you some really good things that you should be doing, some pointers. If you don't have any more questions here, guys, I have another appointment that I have to run to. Nick says, I trade too much and too long. That's the reason, Nick. Trading too much is no good. Carrie, the course will be available within a week, about a week and a half. At the next webinar, Carrie, I will let everyone know how to access it, okay? Ajim says price action is number 1. All right? All right, guys, thank you. I want to thank everyone for coming. Very good, very good, very good. Thank you, guys. Take care. I will email everyone for next week's webinar. Have a great weekend. And remember, don't overtrade, guys. Very important. Don't overtrade. You're welcome, guys. And I'll send everyone the recording as well. Very good, Fahim, Jerry, David, Nick. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye now.